Alright. I thought I had this whole controller thing. I don't. This is my Xbox controller. I can't use this one because it's wireless and it came with the Xbox so that the adapter's integrated into it. Not here with me, out there, is my Batman controller that lights up 6 different colors. For some reason, every computer I have, and I have a lot actually, I like to build them. Every computer that I have that has Windows 8 on it will not run my Xbox controller. If any of you know the reason why, please tell me. Inbox me or comment or something, I don't know. So I took out this. This is ancient PC controller. It is covered in dust and crap and I'm pretty sure it doesn't work. But I calibrated it and it worked on my computer, but it won't work with Alan Wake. I don't know if there's a setting in Steam that I have to go to calibrate my controllers. If you know that, please tell me as well. I have issues with hardware sometimes. But I closed a ton of my background programs. I think the issue last time was Adobe Premiere. I had it up and it's a powerful ass program. Oh, sensitivity is really up. So I replaced the battery in my mouse and I'm just going to use this. I actually changed sensitivity. I'm going to change that 1 second. Controls. Hey, whoops. I changed sensitivity. I thought it would make it easier, but no, that makes everything go a little crazy. There we go. Okay. So I'm just going to keep using my mouse and my keyboard. Whatever. I don't have to be fancy. Oh, shit. This is not going to go well. Oh, no. What's my break? Uh-oh. Let's do this! Yeah! Oh, shit. I don't have a license in real life, and there's a reason for that. Oh, shit. Oh, my God! What? Go, Alan. Go, go, go. Hit him. Hit him. Hit one. Aw. That was disappointing. I'm sorry. Cool. Oh, and I can boost my lights. That's fun. Let's go see if I can hit them again. Come on. Come on. Oh, they're attacking me. Oh, no. I hate driving in games. This is the thing I hate the most. Is driving in games. Oh, my God. What is happening? What happened to the road? Get back on the road, you idiot. Shit, I can't. I can't. Oh no. What's happening? Where do I have to go? That is so convenient that the road's closed like that. Look, my lights have a battery too. Do I have to go this way? Don't throw stuff at my vehicle. Son of a bitch. I hate driving! Ah! Oh, right. You have to do the opposite when you reverse. Ah! I may have not passed my G2 test, but I can still know the basics of driving. My dad drives a forklift, so what is that? I'm gonna run you over. Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Crap, crap, crap. I'm not good at driving. I'm not good at driving. Go backwards. Get off my vehicle! All you! Get away from me! My vehicle's smoking. That's not good. Where am I? I have no idea where I am. Where's Barry? I'm coming, Barry! I'm coming! I don't like driving portions of games. I hate all driving games. And that's freaking including Mario Kart. I hate Mario Kart. I hate it so much. I don't care if you like Mario Kart. I hate it. I have no concept of driving. Oh my God. What the hell? Just plow through it. Plow through it! Yeah! Oh. Oh, I actually did get out. Look at me. Checkpoint reached! I got past the driving part. Look at me. What's this? Oh, they left me flare guns. Thank you! Yeah, it is. I turned to Barry. Oh, God. Oh no, what? What? The flare gun's my favorite one. What? There's more of them! Oh no, oh, he's still alive. That's unfortunate. Oh no, oh no. Run, Alan. Where's your revolver? You don't need to use a flare. Oh! Or there's a light. That's better. Come get me! Come get me! Come on! I love this game. I'm mad. I want the controller to work. Sorry for the long rant, by the way, at the beginning.
It was the kidnapper.
What?
You son of a bitch! Where's my wife?
I thought that was kidnapper. I'm like, that's not your wife.
You can have your woman back.
I don't.
Simple as that.
I gotta have to go back and collect all the manuscript pages, don't I?
Listen, I'm gonna need time to finish it.
Ugh.
I still need to write the ending. I need a week.
A week?
Done?
I need a week.
2 days.
No.
Your Bright Falls coal mine is nearby. You can find it easy, city boy. The main building, there at noon.
City boy.
You bring the manuscript, you get your
Where's
wife.
Barry? Is he up there?
Not. Well, get me.
Yes.
I can't run when I'm talking on the phone. Yeah, I got it. There you go. Oh! Here's all the birds Barry was talking about. Guess he wasn't crazy. I am so glad to be out of that goddamn truck. Get out of my way, birds!
Barry had talked about birds over the phone.
He was not lying. The darkness controls the taken. That's so creepy. I can just, when I read it in like a little girl's creepy voice, you know? It's really weird. I watch too many horror movies. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm coming!
So glad you're here. A couple of them got in here before I blocked the chimney.
What did you do, Barry?
These birds are weird.
Barry, let me in! Jesus, Barry, what'd you do? Defeat the birds? Oh my god! Nah. So I thought. What's that? What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god! Alfred Hitchcock! Help me! God. Barry, you're a wuss. Get out here and help me. Ow, 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 ow. No, no. Not cool. What? No, no, no! Barry! Open the damn door! No! God damn it, Barry. That's why we can't have a friendship. Jesus. They're creepy sounding. This is not going well. Shut up, Barry. No, the only good thing about this situation is nothing because you locked me out, you dick. Oh, no. Die. Die, you stupid birds. I hate you all. Ow, ow, ow. Flares. Flares. Flares, save me. Come get me. I feel like I'm at a concert. At a rave party. Flares would be sweet at a rave party. Kind of dangerous, but sweet. Come on. Come get me. Come get me, any of you. Oh, oh, oh. That's unfortunate for all of you. Come on, come swarm me again. I've realized that I have flares and not just a flare gun. Flare! Flare it! Come on. Alan, that was too late. I told you to flare earlier than that. You're going to waste all the flares. Alan doesn't listen to me sometimes. He's a self-entitled jerk. There is a lot of them. Do I have to defeat all of them? Yeah. Die, bastards. Oh, crap. Battery dies so quick. Is that a flare right there? Or is that my empty flare? Are those shadow people? Oh, I thought shadow people were coming. I was like, this is not the time. It's just a pole, though. I'm kind of panicky right now because there's a ton of birds. Birds kind of freak me out. Just like swarms of them, not like one bird or something. Come on. Come on. Come on, darkness birds. Where are they? Are they going to swarm from that direction? Die. Die, birds. Oh! Oh! I'm dying. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I am so almost out of flares. I think the birds know when I let off a flare. What is happening? How are they still attacking me? I have a flare. You should not be able to attack me if I have a flare. Stupid birds! Damn you all. There are way too many. Barry, just let me in the goddamn door. I'm not screwing around, Barry. That one bird just died. Barry, seriously. Can you at least hand me some freaking batteries or something? You stupid. You're the worst agent ever, Barry. Agent slash partner in crime. Oh my god. Oh my god. How am I supposed to defeat these birds? Is there a way I'm supposed to do it? This is really ticking me off right now. Barry, I swear to God. I come in there, I'm kicking her ass! I'm hurt. The birds hurt me, Barry! This is so not worth it. Worst vacation ever! I'm gonna post about this on my blog when I get home. People are gonna see this is a horrible review. You know what, though? This town is better than Innsmouth. Innsmouth is the town I'm in my game called Cthulhu. Wow, those people are backwards hick redneck assholes. They're chasing me and trying to kill me for no reason. I'm just gonna set this entire place on fire. Screw it. You can burn, Barry. Burn in hell. Uh-oh. That was my last flare, too. God, they're creepy sounding. They, like, go through the house. These birds can travel through walls. Ow, ow, ow. I can't defeat them. I can't do it. I can't do this. Oh my god. My nose is running like crazy from stress. Because that's what happens when I get stressed. I'm as light as I can be. Barry, just open the damn door. They're dwindling, are they? There's still a ton of them. I'm screwed. Ow, damn it. I'm so screwed. Oh my god. Whatever, I'm screwed. I don't even care. Are there batteries in the barbecue? Give me batteries. Or flare. That's what I thought. Come on. Ow, 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 ow. Look at them all. Oh, I actually have to aim all the way up there, don't I? Come on, burn them. There we go.
You can open the door now.
Yeah! Open the door so I can shoot you in the face!
I'm sorry for thinking you were having a psychotic
Come here.
episode, man.
No, I'm having a psychotic episode now! Damn it, I clicked the
I
shoot button.
sent Barry to the town to ask around about a man fitting the kidnapper's description.
Screw you all.
He'd go through the archives of the local paper. Perhaps he
I
could
hate
learn
this town.
anything
Not as much
about
as
the island and the
Innsmouth,
cabin that had
but I
disappeared.
hate this town.
The man wanted a manuscript. I had to try to write him one to get Alice back.
Oh, paper burns me. Oh. Now I'm angry.
To me, the supernatural
Alan needs
always been
anger
nothing but a
management.
metaphor for the human psyche, a tool to use in writing fiction. It was happening for real, and I couldn't put a single word on paper.
Just right that she gets hit by a bus, but her watch gets in the way, but then a shard, like, saves her, and I don't know.
Speaking.
Do you know what movie I'm talking about? I mentioned it before.
Mr. Wake's pages.
Oh, you sweet, brilliant girl.
Could you and Mr. Wake come get them? I live in the trailer park outside of town.
We'll be there in less than an hour.
My parents were on Jerry Springer.
Have a great day. Hope you come back soon. Welcome to
Uh-oh.
Good girl.
What the hell? So, that's not creepy at all. Jesus Christ. Barry's so screwed. I don't even care. I'm not saving him again. He can go to hell. I'm so angry playing this game now. I started out so happy, now I'm so angry. Is this the third chapter? Woo! So, I'm gonna stop there. Just because I don't know if that music's copyright or not, and I swear to God if it is, I'm gonna be pissed off. That was fun. Those birds really pissed me off, so did the driving, but let's see what happens in chapter 3. Rose is all possessed by that evil lady that wanted a threesome with my wife, and Barry's a moron, so good for him. He can go die. I don't even care. I'm pissed off at him and Alice now. All of my secret lovers. Let's see what happens in